Okay, so today I'm going to give you a time-saving trick for any content that you've got to create. And before I do, let me just tell you, this is something that I wondered about for years. You know, I saw guys like Dan Kennedy and how amazing, how much content he could produce so quickly, and other guys like that. And I think I've kind of cracked the code. I just had an experience that kind of gave me that insight. So here's what you can do, and here's what happened. I'll give you a specific example in my case. So the secret is, number one, if you've got to create content, if you don't have writers on your team who can do all this for you, what you do is just very, very simply make sure you write every day. Very simple thing. Give yourself 5 minutes, lock yourself in, don't let anything distract you. If it's 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, whatever you can squeeze into your insanely busy schedule, which I'm sure you have if your life is anything like mine. And but just do that on a daily basis. I like doing it first thing in the morning. My mind is fresh. For some reason, creative ideas just seem to flow easier. And so that's number one. Number two is, what you do is if you've got something specific that you need to get out the door, get it written, get it roughed out on day one, then sleep on it. Day two, come back, look at it, and you'll have a completely different perspective. So what happened in my case, just to give you an example of how this works, is at the last minute, I had a request to pitch a content marketing all-day intensive for a local venue here in Boulder. And of course I waited till the last minute, so I basically wrote it up last night, and then and actually I was able to do it quite quickly, just I think simply because I am writing every day. And then step two was first thing this morning, got up, looked at what was there, and had a completely different take on it, rewrote it lightning fast, and I think it came out pretty good. We'll see, what the result is, whether it gets accepted or not, and heck, if it doesn't on that particular venue, I may just promote it on my own, because I think it turned out pretty dang interesting, quite honestly. So anyway, there you go. That's the way to get a lot of content out the door real fast is, number one, write every day. Number two, sleep on it, look at it the next day, and I think you'll have some pretty great insights and be able to get some content out really fast that way. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this and want more, go to StrategiCopy.com, check out our services there, and have a great day. Talk to you next time. Bye.